we're going to go over how to draw Sonic versus Knuckles. In this one, Knuckles is going to be punching at Sonic, missing him and hitting the ground. So it's pretty cool. This is also it's a very short video, so stay all the way to the very end of the lesson. You should be able to get it. That's pretty much it. Let's jump right into it immediately. Let's jump into this one, alright? First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with Knuckles' head. He's going to be kind of punching down. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start with kind of the brow of Knuckles. And then I'm going to kind of do this motion here, like a swoop for his eye. And then I'm going to go over here, draw down for the rest of his eye. I'm gonna pull up just a bit for the brow here, and on this side I'm gonna curve up, and I'm going to curve a line here for the bottom of that eye. Line up over here, curve. Line up over here for the front of the head here, and I'm gonna swoop underneath for the bottom of his mouth, of Knuckles' mouth, and I'm gonna pull out over here to kind of meet the front of his nose. I'm gonna curve a line here, and he's got like the pointed front of his nose. You can draw like a line here or leave it as is. I'm gonna draw a line. He's disgruntled. And I'm gonna swoop a line back here. And like so. Curve line over here in the back of his, jaw here or whatever. And I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna start his arm kind of around this area. And I'm gonna draw curve here and curve here. Alright, and around this point I'm going to draw the cuff of his glove down over here of his boxing glove, and I'm going to go out, down, pull in, line kind of for the inner of his fist that he's grabbing. And then I'm going to go over here on this side, curve out for that boxing glove, because the one he's not using, Line down for a spike, curve over here, line down, out over here, down, over here, curve for the body, over here the front here, curve for the front of the body. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull his leg down, back, same thing over here, down, back, it's like a tube, and I'm going to draw a line right there, signifying the bottom of his ankle there, or his ankle. Box here for the cuff of his shoe, and then the shove of his shoes hidden behind here, curve up, in, line down, over here. Line, line. Over here, out, down. Over here, out, down. Line for the cuff of the shoe. And I'm going to leave it like that for now, because I'm going to do something with that and I'll show you. Let's draw a little bit of that tail sticking out maybe. Okay, so right here we're going to draw the tendrils. They're going to be flying, okay? So he normally has like these dreads, right? So I'm going to curve the back of the skull here, right? And I'm going to give it an S curve. I'm going to curve the end of it and then pull it back, right? Then do another one starting from here, right there, and then pull another one right here. Try to make them, you know, kind of random, right? And then one more right there. Okay. And on this side, we're gonna put his fist coming kind of from, or his arm coming from his nose, and it's gonna be striking the ground. So I'm gonna draw this cuff over here for the glove. Out, down, out, down. It's definitely gonna cover his shoe up. And he's kind of throwing a punch and he's missing, right? So he's hitting the floor. So the floor is going to be just random chunks coming out. Random rocks, right? Just try to draw it randomly like that. Like almost, if you want like puzzle pieces or something. And then on this side is going to be, right, screwed up ground. Right here as well. You draw like another one over here. Maybe a big one in the back, kind of overlap them. I was punching and missing. On the chest, I forgot about that. He's got this little crescent shape, like a U. So he threw that punch and he missed. I guess we could draw little thin lines here for the rocks to make them look a little bit more organic. You're putting thin lines to the, looks like they have different sides to them. Alright, so I have him punching the ground, he misses, or he punches, you know, tries to hit Sonic, and Sonic's going to be either freaked out or something like that. We're going to have him over here, so let's have Sonic over here. Let's have him close though, like he just missed him. So maybe like curve here for under Sonic's, you know, the lower part of Sonic's face. Curve over here for the side of Sonic, like, you know, Sonic's snout here. Curve over here for the middle area, and a curve for the side. Gonna go over here and pull out the nose shape a bit. Nothing too major. Gonna go over here, pull up, curve, but not all the way down because he's not super angry. He can be surprised, so maybe like a little. Looks like an M or something, right? But he's gonna be like kind of shocked, like, oh no. He's afraid. And then maybe him over this side, he's gonna go, oh no, right? Like a circle curve. And then I'm gonna go over here for kind of the, you know, curves above the eye, like for his brow. And we're gonna have his ear sticking out of here. Line for one ear, triangle for the other ear, inside triangle. I forgot to fill in the top of that mouth. And now we're gonna, let's go over here. Let's go. Pull a line out there for his arm. A line out for this arm. Curve, curve. Let's draw his body over here. So you have to make like a circle. Line out here. Line out here. And you're kind of drawing around the rocks you already drew, so it's kind of like you have to figure out what's, you know, guess what's showing and what's not. Curve here for the color change on Sonic's stomach. Line over here out for the other hand. Line down here for the back, tail, down. And realistically now we're gonna have to draw the thing that really makes him stand out. Line up, down for one spike, over here, down for another spike. Oops, I forgot to draw this hand. Wiggly line here for the thumb area. Curve for the thumb area. Out here for one finger. for the other. Palm over here for 2 other fingers over there. A line for the palm there. But anyways, line over here, down, out over here, down, out over here, down, for the rest of his spikes. Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.